In this video, learn how to use screen mirroring on an iPhone to a Mac. Let's get started. First, ensure your iPhone and Mac are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Screen mirroring will not work if they're on different networks. Turn on AirPlay on a Mac. The process is the same on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and iMac computers. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and open System Settings. Once you're in the System Settings, select General from the sidebar. Then click on AirDrop and Handoff. Here, you'll see a setting called AirPlay Receiver. Just toggle that switch on to allow screen mirroring on Mac. AirPlay Receiver allows nearby Apple devices to share screen with videos and audio content to your Mac with AirPlay. Next, you can also choose who can mirror your Mac, whether it's your current user, anyone on the same network, or everyone else. Pick the option that works best for you. In addition, if you want extra privacy, turn on the password option and set a password. If someone tries to connect using a different Apple ID signed-in device, they'll be asked for the password. If it's the same Apple ID, no password is needed. Now, let's move to the iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. If you see the screen mirroring option, tap it and select your MacBook Air from the list. If you don't see screen mirroring, add it here first. To do so, tap the plus button at the top left corner of the Control Center, scroll to the bottom, tap Add a Control, search for screen mirroring, and select it to add to the Control Center. After that, tap Screen Mirroring, choose your Mac, and you're all set. You can mirror your iPhone screen on a Mac, making it easy to view and present on a big screen. To stop screen mirroring from your iPhone, tap on the notch of your iPhone. And select Stop Screen Mirroring. Alternatively, press the Close button on your MacBook screen. And that's it. Post your questions in the comment box. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for new video updates.